Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closet. Closed? Behind the closed doors. Today we're gonna go to Arnhem, to the studio from Cindy, to do a workshop. Well, join us. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button, but most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. And the week is already outside with the van. Let's go. Okay, so there we have Enoweek, Jeremy, and of course Chewy is gonna accompany us to the studio. Just wait until he sees me. There we go. Oh my. Like he didn't see me in a week. Okay, that was the workshop at Cindy's studio. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like what we do, you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments below, smash that like button. See you again next week, because then we will be in Birmingham at the photography show. It's gonna be cool. Bye guys.